Hello students, this is 6.8 word problems from workbook page 162 until 167. Jim had 3 waffles. He ate 1/6 of one waffle and 2/3 of another waffle, and how many were left? So if we draw it, this is the waffle number 1, which he ate 1/6, and then the second one which he ate 2/3, and the waffle 3 which he didn't eat at all. How many parts are left? So we have 3 waffles altogether, already eaten 1/6 and already eaten 2/3. So we just subtract them by changing this into the denominator of 6. This number will be the denominator of 6 when you multiply by 6 and by 6, and then you use this still the same, 1/6 and 2/3, you change it into the denominator of 6. You multiply it by 2 and you multiply it by 2. After you get all, then you subtract it like normal. Move to number 2. A grocery store has 5 pounds of granola. One customer buys 2/3 and then another buys 5/6. And then after this purchase, how much granola is left? So the first is, we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and already bought 2/3, also has been bought 5/6. So we need to make it all into the same denominator of 6. How to do that? We need to multiply it by 6 and also by 6 for the 5. We need to multiply this by 2 and 2 because 3 multiplied 2 becomes 6. After you get all the fractions and you subtract, then that is the answer. Go to number 3. Karen jogs half mile. Selma jogs 1/4 mile more than Karen, and Lena jogs 3/4 more than Selma. How far does Lena jog? When you make it into a bar model, Karen jogs half. Selma is 1/4 more than Karen, and Lena is 3/4 more than Selma. So how many is Selma? How many is Lena? You just have to add them all up. Half plus 1/4 plus 3/4. And then remember to change the denominator into the denominator of 4 by multiplying this. You multiply this by 2 and 2, and then you get the answer. Next, number 4. Jeremy has 18 marbles. He loses 6 of them. What fraction of the marble does he lose, and what fraction of marble does he have left? So you make the bar model as usual. First time he got 18 and then he lost 6, and then these are the number that he has left. How many did he lose? You have to find the number of lost, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 over the total. And how many is the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 6 out of 18. And how many he has left is the number of the leftover. Please count it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 out of the total, which is 18. Go to the next number 5. Mrs. Yan buys 4 red tulips and then 5 yellow tulips. What fractions are red and what fractions are yellow? So we have 4 red and 5 yellow. What fraction of red? First, you find the number of red. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of the total. So you total this all up first. 4 plus 5. So the top will be 4 and the total will be 9. Go to the yellow. Same way like the A. The number of yellow, which is 5, and then the total, which is still 9. Next, number 6. Charles owns 3 cats, 4 goldfish, and some parakeets. Altogether, he has 10 pets. What fraction of the pets are goldfish? And then, what fractions are the parakeets? So first, you make the bar model. Cats, we have 3. Goldfish, we have 4. And parakeets, we do not know. But we can easily find parakeets by subtracting this with this and this. Then you get the answer of the parakeets because 10 is the total of these all pets. Then to find a fraction of goldfish, you need to find the number of the goldfish, which is 4, out of the total, which is 10. So 4/10. And then to find the parakeet, same thing. The number of parakeets, you have to count this first. 10 minus 3 minus 4, then you get the parakeets. That's gonna be the numerator, and the denominator will be the total number. Next, number 7. Rick has $20. He spent 10 on food, 6 on movie ticket, and then he saved the rest. How much money did he save, and what fraction did he save? So he used 10 for food, 6 for the movie, and then the rest of it is for saving. Please find the saving first. You can subtract this with this and this, then you find the saving. How much did he save? Total minus food minus movie, then you get the dollar. And then the fraction of the saving is the number of the saving that we just got. That's for the numerator, and the denominator is the total, which is 20. Move to number 8. There are 24 boys in class. 2/3 of the students are boys, and how many are girls? So 2/3 are boys, and only 1/3 is a girl. How to find? First, you need to find the fraction of the girl. 1 minus 2/3, and then you get the girl's fraction. Now, the number of the girls will be the fraction of the girl that you just got, multiply the total, which is 24. Next, number 9. One morning, a t-shirt shop sold 15 t-shirts. Of the t-shirts sold, 1/5 were gray and the rest were white. So how many white t-shirts were sold? So there are 15 boxes, represents 15 t-shirts. 5 are grays and the rest are white. So the fraction of the white, first we need to do the number of the white. Please count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 out of the total, which is 15. So that's the first answer. 10 out of 15. Second, number of the white sold. You have to find the fraction, put it here, multiply with the total, and then you get the answer. A chef bought some green and red peppers. He bought 18 green peppers, which was 3/4 of the total number. So how many red peppers did she buy? So she bought red and green. The green, which is 3/4, are 18. So these are 3/4. So the red peppers, how much? 3 units. 1, 2, 3. 3 units, right? The 3 units equals to 18. How many is 1 unit? And now they ask, like, what is the total that he bought? The total are 4 numbers, right? When you get the 1 unit, you can count the 4 units by multiplying it with 4. Next, number 11. There were 25 melons in a box at a grocery store. The store sold 3/5 of the melons. How many melons were sold? So this is the melon. 3/5, 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 5s were already sold. The total number are 25. So how many was sold? That is 3/5, 1, 2, 3. 3 out of all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiply by 25. And Eva reads 1/4 of a book on Monday, 1/5 of it on Tuesday. There are 80 pages in the book. How many pages did she read on both days? So Monday she read 1/4, Tuesday 1/5. The total is 80. This is the total pages of the book. Monday and Tuesday, you have to add them by making sure that the denominator are the same. So we are going to change this into 20. This must be multiplied by 5, while this must be multiplied by 4, and then you get the answer. Then how much is this that he actually read? This